everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do just a really simple design, which of course all of my designs are simple, but this one could even be just a cute border to put on something too if you wanted to, decorate something really simply. Again, my designs too, just so you know, they don't have to be done on glass. I just am a glass painter, so I like to paint them on glass. If you have, want to paint on wood or canvases or whatnot, you can do any of these on any of those surfaces. The brushes I'm using today are going to be two Amagic round brushes, and I will put links down below. This is a number 6 and a 4, and I have a fine liner by Westonia. All the paints I'm using are FolkArt paints. I use Thicket. I use Thicket a lot. Wicker White and Apple Red. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to begin by taking the back side of my brush, taking the tip of it, and just starting off with creating dots for the centers. Now you could just leave it as a dot, or you could actually make it rough and just kind of tap out from it just so that it's not a perfect dot, and that's what I'm choosing to do on these. That's up to you. I just got to looking at it once I finished the design and I thought, this would be kind of a cute border. So that's why I mentioned that. And I'm just going to tap it around a little bit here and a little bit there. And then end up with one down here. And I know I'm using my dark green on this, so it might be a little difficult to see. So I do apologize for that. It wasn't a good choice for me, but I'm going to, if you wanted to put a little bit of white in this, typically, you might not be painting on a green bottle. This is the bottle I do a lot of my videos on, so that's why I'm using it. But I'm going to go ahead and start with my number 4, and I'm going to just put it into the Apple Red and just do simple little strokes. I'm just pushing the brush down and pulling it up, pushing it down, pulling it up, pushing it down, pulling it up as I aim it towards the center. I am going to leave a space. I don't want it to touch the center if at all possible, because I don't want to pull up the green. If it does, not a biggie. Push it down, pull it. Again, push it down, pull it. Down and pull it, and just keep going, creating as you go. It does not matter how many petals you're putting on your design. It really truly doesn't. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a like. If you also would share this video on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. It's very easy. Just hit the share button underneath the video and you will be good to go. Alright. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to place those down below. If you're looking for Christmas designs now, these are the Christmas colors. This is one reason I did this. You don't have to actually have a specific design for it to be Christmassy. Hey, change it up by changing the colors that you're using. If you like a certain flower, make it Christmassy based on that. Now I'm going to go into my liner brush and just stick it in, roll it, pull it out. I'm going to go into the white, because on this one I want to make sure you kind of see it some, but I'm just going to go back and forth and create my stem. So I'm going to go like that, come down here, and I can tie it into the stem like that. And I can even, make it like it's coming down through this flower, or it's, touching it, and that's how it's hooked on. a little bit, and then I always like to swing my stems out. I don't make them straight. Give them a little bit of wiggle room. And just come down. Again, as I'm saying, this could be a great border just to make paint on something. All right. Just trying to keep it simple. Then I'm going to take the bigger brush, the one I used to make the dots. I'm going to dip it into the thicket. I can come in here, stick a little bit of it into the white, and basically going to create the petals the same way. But this time I'm pulling them towards, well, I guess I did that on those two. Pulling it towards the stem. You can curve them, you can just have them go like this so where they're just kind of straight, but you're basically putting pressure on them and then lifting up as you pull. Pressure on them and then lifting up as you pull. And then doing the same thing here. Going like this. Very interesting, right? Alright, and then you can actually even end up putting a little, kind of little petals, leaves, coming out from here, and coming out from here. And if you want to swing it in that way, you can. Or make it come down like that. I like to have them different colors, not all the same shades. Have it like that, just kind of whimsically. You can even add another one up here. And then go in here. Just fill it in a little bit. Just make it simple. Alright, again, just very, very easy. And it doesn't have to be hard to be cute. Cute and maybe whimsical even. But again, that's very quick to do and simple. Anybody can do it if you can hold a paintbrush. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, remember to give me a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and share this video before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, thanks again for taking time to stop by. If you have any questions, remember to put those down below my video. And until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.